You can come this side. Oh, it is better to come this side. I cannot check the
Ayo, telah.
Ikai Kumnajariba Honorable Chief Minister Manipur Chanung Biren Singh Nasigi Thoramasigina Ikai Kumnajariba Chief Guest Taram Nokchari Rinana Lingbirakli by Ikai Kumnajariba Guest of Honor Singh Special Invitees and President Amadi Mangdalingshin Biriba Kwaipum Namak Taram Nokchari. Pumnamak po ahanbada ikoknona kurumjari. Ahanba magtada lamdamashibu konbiriba ibudau ibentau anigi khuya khada changjaraga pumnamaki mau sinjaraga punimjari. Amadi mangdalingshin biriba ikai khumnajariba mithunglen singh Oja Singh, Satra Singh, Maike Somgi, Ahalaman Singh, Kwai Pumnamakpo, Ahakna Taram Nokchari, Nasigi Pangthokchariba, Thoramasida, Kurumjari. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm greatly honored to stand before you all on behalf of Unacco School Chanung and on my own behalf to earnestly express heartfelt gratitude to everyone present here who have taken out time to be with us today to witness the grand inauguration ceremony of Unacco School Chanung, Excellence in Education, a fully residential school. And to grace this function, we have our very special, our very respected Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Chanung Biren Singh, Ikai Kumnajariba Chief Guest, Matang Sina Ikai Kumnajariba President, Honorable Ikai Kumnajariba Guest of Honor, Honorable Minister, Works and Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, Shri Govindas Konthauzam, Mathangde Ikai Kumnajariba, Honorable Minister, PHED, CAF and PD, Shri L. Susindro Maitei, Mathangda Ikai Kumnajariba, Honorable MLA, Kundrakpam Assembly Constituency, Shri T.S. Lokeshwar Singh. Loinana, we have our very special guest, Shri PVS LN Murthy, CMD, NETV, and our respected President of today's function, Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, Unacco School, would like to have your presence on the dais. Ikai Kumnajariba Mitung Len Singh na dais ta Hazariba Kudada Lingshin Biranabagi Damakta Ahanbada Nolugna Hangachari. Respected dignitaries on the dais and everyone present here, please rise for our state song, Sanalai Pak Manipur. Thank you so much, everyone. Please kindly be seated. Thauram makha chathadringegi mangoinana ikai khumnajariba All Manipur Working Journalists Union gi hauzik president gi thau pubiriba oja wangkhemcha samjai su stage lengkhat piraknabagi damakta nalukna hangachari. Thauramgi ahan bada ikai khumnajariba lengbirakliba sing Honorable Minister Singh, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister Singh, amadi ikai khumnajariba MLA khudingmakpu taram nokchaba ikai khumnaba uchaboina langjariba khudolpot sing lantokchabagi tanjadu lauzari to honor and felicitate our respected Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honor. First of all, would like to request Mr. Shunil Sa, FCA, ACA, GRADCWA, a practicing chartered accountant having wide experience in the field of accounting, Taxation and Legal Governing Body Member, Unacco School, to honor and felicitate our respected chief guests. First of all, to our respected chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Nongthombam Biren Singh. Presenting a bouquet and a traditional stole as a token of love and appreciation. And next to our respected guest of honor, Shri Govindas Konthozum, Honorable Minister, Works and Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur. Doing the honor is Mr. Shunil Sa, FCA, ACS, GRAD, CWA, a practicing charter accountant and governing body member, Unacco School. Thank you so much. Makatarakpa felicitation taubinabigidamakta nolog na hangachari. T.A.'s Joy Chandra Singh, governing body member, Unacco School. LLM Fulbright Fellow of Higher Education, USA, Commonwealth, Fellow for Administration of Higher Education in UK. Ikai Kumnajariba Ozana Thoramasigi Guest of Honor Waina Lingshin Biriba, Honorable Minister, PhED, CAF and PD, Shri L. Susindro Maitegi Mafamda Langjariba Kudol Pot Singh, Kudol Tambiri. Thagachari Mathangda Ikai Kumnajari Bojana, Guest of Honor Amoyna Lingshin Biriba Shri T.A. Lokeshwar Singh, Honorable MLA, Kundrapam Assembly Constituency Gi Maphamdaso, Langjariba Kudol Pot Singh, Lanthok Pinabagdamakta Nolokna Hangachari. Our respected Guest of Honor, Shri T.A. Lokeshwar Singh, Honorable MLA, Kundrapam Assembly Constituency. Thagachari, Ojabusu Thagatpa Fongdokchari. And now would like to request Shri Arup K. Mukhopadhyay, Director, Unacco School, to do the felicitation and honoring of our respected dignitaries on the dais. First to our very special guest, Shri P.V.S.L.N. Murthy, CMD, NETFI. Thagachari Mathangda Ikai Kumnajariba All Manipur Working Journalists Union Gi President Gi Thopu Biriba Oja Wangkimcha Samjaibu Ikai Kumnaba Utpinabagi Damakta Samananda Stage Telenkat Piraknaba Noluk Hangachari. Ikai Kumnajariba esteem invitee Moina Lingshin Biriba Oja Wangkimcha Samjai, President All Manipur Working Journalists Union. Thank you so much. And last but not the least, would like to request Shri K. Deepak Singh, Director, Unacco Financial Services Private Limited, to honor and felicitate our respected President of today's function, Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, Unacco School. Thank you so much. Makatarak pasina pangtok jariba thoramasi asoyangam amata yaudana pangtok pangamba pinabiu haina ishorgi mafamda ikai kumda jariba Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor singna thoramgi senglaba maira chukat pinabagi damakta nolopna hangachari. Would like to request our respected dignitaries on the dais to do the honor of lighting the ceremonial lamp. Thank you so much everyone for doing the honor. Pumnamakpo Thagachari. Now to deliver the welcome and keynote address of today's function, we'd like to request Shri Arup K. Mukhopadhyay, Director, Unacco School. Arup Mukhopadhyay K-12 Education and CBSE Cambridge and IB School for the past 31 years in India, Tanzania, Maldives, UAE, Singapore, etc., promoting school education. Previously taught at the Rishi Valley School, the founder principal of Royal Global School, Guwahati, the CEO of Imperial Schools, Tanzania, and the Rungta Group of Schools in Chhattisgarh. Also associated with Unacco Schools for the past 10 years in the capacity of advisor. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Arup K. Mukhopadhyay, Director, Unacco School.
Honorable Chief Guest on the occasion, Sir Biren Singh. Guest of Honors, Sri Govindas Ji, Honorable Minister of Works and Yes, Sri L. Susendra Maithi, Honorable Minister of PhD, CAF and PD, Sir Lokeshwar Singh, Honorable MLA, our special guest, Mr. P.V.S.L.N. Murthy, CMD, NEDFI, the Chairman Abdul Singh Ji, distinguished guests, members of the Unacco family, Head of Institution, Board of Governors, parents, friends from the media, teachers and all their students. Very good morning to you all. We are indeed privileged to have amongst us our very, very near and dear Chief Minister. To us, he is more than the Chief Minister, he is our grandparents. So I want a big round of applause for the Chief Minister and the grandparents from Unacco. I remember just 1 year before, when we first met him for the Shivdi Lily Festival, we requested him just 1 year after we want you to inaugurate the school. He agreed. He made this commitment. We are very, very glad that you could make it, sir. In spite of your very, very busy schedule, we know, but you could make it. Thank you so much and taking all the journey, or long journey. I know his passion. I think nobody can deny that kind of passion. He brings it in whatever he does. I remember that when the World Cup football was on, the kind of a passion, the whole state was excited. And the excitement came from none other than our Chief Minister. That's why it is indeed a wonderful opportunity for all of us. And the young student, those who have given him the lotus today, they will remember him for their whole life coming, that sir came and inaugurated our school. So you are most welcome, sir. We have with us Sri Govindas, sir. who also was a part of foundation stone laying ceremony. Thank you, sir, once again for gracing this occasion. Mr. Susendra Maiti, sir. Sir was also the part of foundation stone laying ceremony. Thank you, sir, for coming and gracing this occasion. Sir Lokeshwar Singh, PVSL Murthy, who has been a strong pillar of support for Unacco Group. What is today the school, it cannot be possible without his support, sir. Thank you so much for supporting. The dignitaries from the sector of the journalism, other media friends, all the dignitaries present here, parents, teachers, board of governors, you are most welcome. In my capacity as the director of the school, as I say the keynote address, I would like to fix a few points that why we decided to open this school. Because Unacco runs already Unacco Khongman, this is one of the oldest school. Then we started Unacco Maitram. In the middle of the pandemic, when most of the schools were closing, Honorable Chief Minister has come and inaugurated Unacco Chanura for class 11th and 12th. The school is having at currently 500 students, which opened during the pandemic. We decided to have the school, keeping in mind, I'll give you a very recent fact. I met a few days back a young guy who topped in all the examination in our country. He did his graduation from India. He got a seat in master degree in Europe, in one of the prestigious college. And he joined there in the 2022 August, September. He was excellent in academics. Nobody can deny that. His academic result has no doubt can beat anybody. But in a small group of master degree in a European university, the course director, the professors had a very much concern about him. The major concern his batchmate raised, he cannot accept the other views. He is not collaborating. He is not a team player. The whole management sat with him, that such an academic brilliance, unable to collaborate with the team. Team member refused to take him in team. The debating society decided not to take him because he is not collaborating. Last Monday, the university has taken a hard decision to drop him from the course. Ladies and gentlemen, he has not vandalized the university. He has not failed in the examination. He has not done anything wrong. What he has failed, unable to collaborate, unable to be a team player, unable to present his idea and accept other ideas. That's all what he has failed. Keeping in mind, we realize where the relevance of 21st century's education really. And what is the importance of our NEP 2020, which need to be emphasizing on the basic soft skill, the 21st century skill. Keeping in mind with a small classroom, small campus classroom, we decided to have Unacco School Chanung, in which we plan not only the academic excellence, but is educational excellence. A child come out with all the excellence, all the soft skill. Moreover, parents wanted to know why the boarding school. You might be knowing years before, long, when the first boarding school came another 200 years ago in Scotland. What was the purpose? The kings, queens, they used to send their children to the boarding school. And the purpose was, they come out of their comfort zone of the palace and come to the ground and learn the basic sharing, caring, and service to the people. That was the main purpose of the first boarding school opened in Scotland. Now its branches, its tentacles spread all over. And in India, the first boarding school came, the Lawrence Sanawar. When the British Army settled their first school in Himachal, Sanawar in the hill. And that's how the children, the parents were very much worried that their children are learning academics, but they're not getting the basic values of the society, the values, culture, and the service-mindedness. That's how we decided that we'll have a school which is exclusive boarding school, where the teachers, students, everybody will be living under one roof, and you get every facility, all those facilities. Now, when you look at the social economic structure of Manipur, the boarding school fees, if you go outside, it will be very, very expensive, which is cannot be afforded by many parents. We have kept a fee structure at an affordable rate so that parents can afford and get that education. At the same time, we have a generous scholarship scheme. Next, I would like to mention that the very important concern parents have felt, the security, care of the parent. We have made the campus in such a way that we have a 3-layered security. When the parents want to meet the child, the parents need to overcome 3 layers of security. At the same time, the food. We have kept the cafeteria, which is called refectory hall, with all kind of vegetarian, non-vegetarian dishes. Healthcare, the basic healthcare will be taken care of in the school itself, which have a 6-bedded infirmary with a doctor and the 24 hours the nurses. Keeping in mind the facilities available, the hostel facilities available, the food facility and the security facility available, the children need to have, keeping in mind the state, the sports and games facility. In the city school, because of sparsity of space, we could not afford. Here, we have almost all facilities. This year, we are offering football, hockey, lawn tennis, basketball, and a host of indoor games. Next year, we are opening our swimming pool. So, I promise you that the school will keep and meet all the expectation of the parents, be it their holistic development, be it their health. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to present the school to the people of Manipur in the august presence of our Honorable Chairman, our Chief Guest, and all other dignitaries. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, respected Shri Arup K. Mukhopadhyay, Director, Unacco School, for that very detailed welcome and keynote address. Thank you so much, sir, once again. Now, I would like to present a audio-video film on Unacco School, Chanung. Ladies and gentlemen, all your attention on the screens, please. Ikai kumnajaribo Honorable Chief Minister na ngasi sangabiduna mayamgi mafamda Manipur miyamda kodol tambikhraba school Unacco school Chanung gi huzik mayamna yengbikhriba video dani. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the man behind this, the MD of Unacco school, Shri and Irabanta Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thoramaka Chatazara Poina Ikai Kumnajariba MD na Mayamgi Mafam da Wafam Kara Thoramasiga Marilena Tambiranaba Nolukna Hangachari.
Thank you. Good morning. Ngasigi Yai Parabanu Mirasida, Unacco School Chanungi, Sangabagi Thoramasida, Lingviraiba, Akogi Chief Guest Honor, Ikai Kumnajariba, Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh, Manipur ki adu guest of honor election biriba Sri Honorable Minister Govind Das Konthokjam walks in the yas aduga guest of honor Sri L Susindro Maisai Honorable Minister PI Sindi KFNPD aduluna Labdamasigi Ikai Kunajri Honorable MLA Sri TH Lokeshwar aduluna special guest Sri PV SLN Murti Chairman cum Managing Director Netfi aduluna Mangdale aduga Ayamba MZUgi President Amos Hamzai, as Mang the Lincoln Biriba, Hoi Ahalaman Singh, Maru and Mingona Panjadragazu, Lamdam Zigi, Maruiba, Entrepreneur Singh, Hoi Aduga, CSOgi Lusing Basing, Mediagi Sinau Singh, I would Tapitam Berko, Ozamayam Suyobiri, Adugolona, Hen Maruina, Hoi Lamdam Zigi, Hoi Lengak Londa Maruiba, Dita Logiriba, Hoi IS officer Singh, IPS officer. Punomopu, Lingbiri Punomopu, Taramno Uxari, and the Ikaikuno Usari. Nasi, Akoi Yamalai Pabanumini, I hang quite again, no Izabadi. Nasi, Akoi, Honorable Chief Minister Gimaki, sending Rabba Sedula Sidaki Kaitoga, Impal Lapna Laiba, Sanung Haigra, Pikraba, Akoi Kungangasida, Akoi Pakata project and Makata, Mapamasida, Honorable Chief Minister Yobida Paze, Masina Mayak Shanga Tai, Madudi, Akoi Chief Minister Ze, Akoi. Singishu, Tamgishu, Amadi, Sahara Madi Kungang Ponamakta, Subman of being Amata the Yingba, Adukumustic Minister, Nehabaze, Masin Mayak Shang, the Tai Yavazayak. Adugulona, Lamdamasida, Lingjin Viriba, entrepreneurs in Maruina, Lamdamasigi, Yama Tamodabli, Tamapalil, Lingjin Vire, Tamorajan, Akoi Punamaki Labok Paboina, Akoina, Impan my idea than Sargim from the Dangokuna project over investment over. Ako inatraga ako in business entity packer panatana haido kiba mafam singda ako gi chingkung chingyada ako gi village singda sing ako gi hill singda ako in project packer pada development work packer pada ako gi sarkar na ako bu support to bi haibaje ngasi lengbi reiba ako gi honorable CM amdi council minister na mafam asi lakpi baje masina mayek larab kodamni masigi damakta ako gi Manipur gi entrepreneur amoina entrepreneur khudimaki mahut sinjaraga yamna nungai jaba amdi soktok chan ngai mikup ne hai jayang masimta ga thamjak Aduga, Akogi Mang the Lincoln Variable Honorable Chief Minister, Sibu Chief Minister, Ohin Bibakita Maruina, Hangang Kendragi, Prazasingu, Tagatsaba, Pongok Chaningi, Akogi Honorable CMU Emilio and Kanbira Pagi, Aduga Matanga, Akogi BJP Central Leadership, Honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister, Amadi BJP elected Emilio Mamna, Akogi Honorable Mr. C. N. Birenbo, Manipuri Lusingo over the CM with the fighting Matic Charahana, a Quipunamaki can be Baja, Masijo Quipunamaki, quite and live of Pabamni, I have Masimata Tamsek. Aduga, Akoi Honorable CM, Lamdamasi, Layhav the Saukiva, Lamdamasi Chinjak Charaga, Lamdamasi Shanabung the Sanaraga, Adugumas Sauki, Mishakamani, Mahal Lamdamasi, Hawanum Sit, Kangi, Lamdamasi the lady of problem, Karino Kangi, Madu Horocom Karino Kangi, Madugi. Solution kamane pura kada hai base masi mangonde na khangbaya mi le maro hena khale koi lamdam sigi wena matik chaba koi lusing ba mani Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh adu mahak si mayam na khangbi Manipur gi lulu issue mayam da yamna mangjin thana daita logiba misak amagak su oi akoi Honorable CMC matang asida hang pusin jerek tuning na akoi gi Honorable CM Sri N. Biren Singh ga akoi gi hoji Bharat ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ga yamna manaba magun khara hang na thengna jay I'm going to say, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Gujarat ki Mehana Sahib the 1950 the Pokpani. Mang Masamak share grocery, Amadi, oil pressure, thau sumba family amada adu gi community pokpani mama samaksu OBC ne ado khoi gi Manipur su except ST natana punamak laini myam je khoi ji OBC ngakta ne aduna khoi honorable prime minister akhoi ga manaba yam laiyeba aduga honorable prime minister ji mang sahi nipa ne pharak patagi bayum thadoga akhoi gi sanghada junior cadet unu chakrabani adu loina honorable prime minister na masagi sahi 33 thurokpada akhoi bharat pumba koiba loigre mama samosi tai man 19 kanoda 68 ta akhoi gi West Bengal Guwahati even Siliguri da laga masi station toroga leirame matam du yona mana North East yam phajan masa khangraba adu malusing ba mani adu samana na akhoi honorable CM su mahagi ihan hanba punsiga avatar ha tare sanaro yona footballer na horaga BSF sanga matungda masagi sahi kunmatoi kumari banga da akhoi gi India as punamak mana koiba loikrabni city ko ma thungna basat khrabmi sak amga ne adu bharat kari no sima khanga ga lakrabne adu lamdam asi nuksibagi ai magi thabak tu thathoga lamdam si seba tone na akhoi thabak tu tokthoga akhoi journalism sangaga yam chawba khoi ngauge thokdang ge editor birami matamadu dani ayakna khoi honorable CM je thengna jawbosi ai hanan ba punsi gi hanan ba profession entrepreneur venture haga dai hakte transport service tawjarami matamadu da akhoi honorable CM gi manaw no pa akhoi na di taboi hai ba khoi gi isam gi founder akhoi si N Rajendra mahaksi akhoi gi seniani moi makha da isum thabak si sum tamboina lakpani yaurapani moina guide toburi matamdu da khoi honorable CM je madudagi thogdang editor ngi aina thengna jagro mi sakamani adu yam manaba bangkun singsini aduga akhoi honorable prime minister su akhoi village amda sorpmini honorable CM su samane haide mayam se bharat pumba koiba loigrab ngaktani aduga masa na hono jamadagi si yorap ngatani aduga honorable prime minister su 1971 da Bangladesh ki landa akhoi freedom school di phong support tawrubagi sarkar matam nu sarkar na pharaga matam kara tihar jer dal laye aduga samana na songi jo khoi honorable CM su babung ibo yamaga thogdang gi editor oirenge da matam khara akhoi lairubagi wari akhoi saji wada akhoi thengna jawi ta jawi masi mayam puna jahal mayam khangbiramgani manaba du ne hang thamjari bisi aduga hairiba animak akhoi gi honorable prime minister gi matang da from other leaders of the world and why what is the difference but Mr. Modi can do whatever he thinks Prime Minister Modi je mana toge khanba thabak to hekta ngamna ba tawe this is the unique capability of Mr. Modi na sinju abena hairamani ko is a very remarkable statement adu yong Modi na tawkhe pasing akhoi GST implement tawkre business mayam je akhoi prime minister je mana toge khan gi je hekta ngamba mi amne just like akhoi honorable CM su mana toge khan gi ba si yang willer ga Manipur da akhoi il corona thena ki mayam puno khangbirabani ILP for a man put on Kangbi sales to Gisina Mayamso. Adu Matakta Handakta Akogi Olympic Park Sagiba Adagi Moiran Kabulam Dao Ethnic Park Sagivasi, Angapata Humari Sagivas, Angap Project Amane, Adu Z20 Manipuda for a Kiba. Masi Akoina covered would not Akoi, big no horo pony Aduna, Akogi, Honorable Chief Minister Su Mang Towe can give a Tabakse. Hector Namnabatoba to go capable or talent or losing Germany, Aniduki Manabazuni and Tamzervise. Adu Loshal Lapata, Anima Yamna Prasana, popular over Hogi, Prasana Pamba, Bharati Prasana, honorable Prime Minister Singasi, Bharati Prasana, I think about the Pamba, popular leader Amane. At the might of the Sons of honorable CM, Akui Manipuri Prasana, Yamna Pamza, Aduna, Akui Mayamna, Miam CM, people CM and Mayam, respect or name, Aduna, Masi Yamani and a conservative Putune hang at Tamzerivos. Aduga akhoi Manipur asi akhoi mini Indiani yam pikpa Indiani kaino di Bharat ta tongan ba sakchu tina da lon jati tongan community taira adumaina pikro Manipur da mio la kunthra lai basida akhoi 36 community ta dra makan ne aduna mini Indiani adu mini India sibu leibang ngapiri ba honorable chief minister je akhoi masi yamna sokthok chinga akhoi gi Bharat ki tungi lusing bo orap ko bakta akhoi masi oiroi haningai laipote akhoi gi oiba state picture bane MP ani khak laiba ni MP yam laiba Maharashtra UP gumo ramagadi akhoi gi CM su Bharat ki lusing go orak pa ya bagi oithok lei ja ya adum thamjage mayam mang aduga mathangda mangdaling jinwirba akhoi gi ikai khumna jariba honorable minister Govindas tariyal karaba akhoi veteran politician ni Manipur gi oina man hek bole pege adum karaba atongan tongo ministry government mayam da minister obiramaba yamna measure oiraba sing lemaba experience leiraba aduga akogi lamdam jegi minister amane han puthok sabada sauthok saninga oiba minister amagangni hairiba khoi honorable govinda se khoi honorable cm ga pahabada council of minister da yawbada yamna matik chawa mi amagani ana ayak thamjage aduga loinana yamna nauna minister oiriba akogi ikai khunajariba minister susindro youth leader ni yam nauna bosukagi yam nauna ju minister oi aduga yamna akogi action oriented oiba hekta people gi mang thara thogo luchingbo oiba mayamna ahan batamda MLA oiringeta akoi manipur da achau bai chau toke matamda masamna luchingaga akoi excavator thoraga akoi panthing gi mayam punam ubiruduni aduga loinana ai di yam nakna jaba kurai kendra chi ai yam nakna jaba kendra ni aduna ai ministry oiba matung idi khangdri ministry oiringeta MLA oiringegi performance hajage Porompat kurai se maroni ising adum chaw laiba atin sit rota akoi nung cha tra ju adum ising thumdar low buk mayam low uba yade adu honorable akoi MLA Susindro ne MLA oi matam dagi mana drain mayam loina semdana toina toina ising tuba porompat si tamok khangbi ngani nung hekta bada ising je hekta thabak yaweba khu na te adu hujikti loina phagre low uba yare drain phadara semgre aduga Kurai Kendra si mamangi tamda khwaidagi develop tawba lambi phajana semgiba kendra singmungda amane aduna masi tungmagi wafam nate akhoi yamna ha oina young oina yamna kendra gi tawkhiba minister oibadi hauda ngairi MLA oingi performance adugi mata phajai adu minister oi kanda laibak sigi adugi mati pharak kari haina ina asa tawi ai je machimta ga ya thamjage mayang ifamda aduga honorable MLA Lokeshwar marira khanna kendra si karabani masida kendra sida mari ra ka bai base yam tangba potne adu kendra si ai yam kuina samna jara ko angang oringe de khoi low leibani khoi ju low uba khotpa haloi matung chalai matam du da lambi dongje adugi matik yam song lerami adu hujikti adugi matik hairba kendra sida hongba lakre praja yam nungsinan loina ba yam nakchatnan leiba adugumba luchingdo amagangni aduna masi mayam se punna yenga matung da ayakna hajaninge hojik ju leiba honorable CM gi makada leiba khoi state gi cabinet se yam special oiba cabinet amane yam tangna thoba cabinet ne ba Nahazu hanji loina mix tawraba isam jamna habada khoi gandagi World Cup winning team Argentina team do Lionel Messi ne lead tawba experience lairaba Angel Di Maria Martinez best goalkeeper youth player da Inso Fernandez jawriba World Cup winning team do adugumba team ne ba khoi cabinet se lifetime oina phangada opportunity ne experience level leire youth leire adu mathakta tauge khanbada tawbangamba honorable CM leire aduna masigi team je akoi gi lifetime ta amuktang phangada ba akoi gi Argentina gi golden generation adwana akoi gi ju golden cabinet ne mase masigi matam sida CSO mayam media mayam jawbiri akoi gi oi ba mamang sarkar mayam na tauge khanna tawbangamam do mayam lei je ko ju khangje manipur gi obi issue loktak project gi issue land bank thambagi issue lamgi issue amadi mayam punamak si chingtam punjan na bi issue mayam je sahi kun gu thamda honara la bane hariu mayam je akoi honorable CM na minister oiringeta kogi golden cabinet na amadi honorable prime minister na adugi matik manipur bu nungsi no ifu nungsi mayam punam khangbira bane honorable home minister masigi matam sida punamak se pangthokpa ngamba oirajanu haiba se mayam punam ga yakna soi khorma ga haijari simut aduga net fee Northern Financial Development Organization masi we started our relationship with NETFI from 2005. We got the first loan from NETFI only 5 lakh. But due to the discontinued relationship for almost 18 years, NETFI financed to the Unacco group around 200 crore in the microfinance organization, MFIs, in the school, in the hotel, in the construction. We also sent two of one of the governing body member of the Unacco school and AGM, Mr. Pravin, is one of the board director in the Unacco Financial Services. With their experience, knowledge, and the inputs, Unacco had immensely benefited, and we grow up to stage due to the support and the guidance from the NETFI. Thank you, sir, for your continuous support for the Unacco group. Mr. Murthy is the chairman of the NETFI, but before he is the chairman of the NETFI, he is the chief general manager of the State Bank of India. This is the largest bank in the Northeast. And during his time from 2015 to 2018, the State Bank business growth so many fold. And in Manipur, I know, State Bank opened lots of branches in the Kangpokpi, Mara, Mau, during the time of the Sir Mr. Murthy. He opened lots of branches, State Bank branches in the hill districts of the Manipur during his time as a chief general manager in the State Bank. For this, that the people of Manipur have indebted to Sir Mr. Murthy. And with his grand vision and the goal of the net fee, I think the Northeast entrepreneurs, particularly, we will be morely benefited from the grand vision of our chairman, sir. And Sige Hajar Matungda, the unique nature of Manipur, 200 years ago, our Maharaja Bhagasandra introduced Ras Leela to the India whole country, and we have connected to Radhakund, Vrindavan, and Navadip. All the country knows that due to Rajaji Bhagasandra. Adu matang the art and culture da koi pabung sam amadi ratantiam masina national amadi international recognition pibirami ako pabung sam yam tang pangjaba koi gi lamdam sigi ako gi misak amakangni mahang 1982 da magi imagi ningtem sina Grand Prix phangba koi France da ako gi Nanski festival yan hanba India ki film ne Grand Prix phangba. It is in the 1982. Adu 1991 da Ishana waiba festival film sida ako gi masida ako gi Cannes ki award phangi masidu France tani hariba ansina ako gi cinema amadi art and culture jibu France da USA da New York da Hong Kong da Singapore da mafang khudimak da sak takbirami adu gi matang da ako gi sports ako ni khangjaba da hockey gi lamda Olympian ko yamba thoiba amadi tikena ako lamdam jibu Olympian hana mang thabi gi adu matam da khwaidagi yamna Olympian puthokpa Northeast da Manipur number 1 ni mamangi Hogiba Olympic ta Northeast gi mi tare nipan Olympic present tawi adu Manipur gi mi manga present tawi Manipur gi mi ani Olympic medal phangi Northeast gi mi ong gatani phangi adu sports ta we are the almost king of the Northeast masi am chok chane India gi medal kun khare an phang da Manipur gi medal ani phangi ne adu proportionally percentage ga di akoi gi sport ta di akoi si haining ai leta ga chok chane ga state ni adu na football ta akoi na totally dominate tawi akoi I League ta akoi team mani lady traum di neroka adu Indian Super League ta largest number of player di Manipur gi chat level 48 player ne akoi chal Indian Super League ta adu mathang da akoi cricket honorable MLA RK Imogi akoi lusing makha da akoi Manipur cricket tam dano sakhol ai Ranji trophy sana rai soidana cricket si akoi lamdam si yamna pamna ba amadi prithvi gi unu jam kai kuna ba sports samni masi soidana Virat Kohli jumba Sachin Tendulkar gumba soidana bagi Manipur ju tholakani ai jai ayak thajaba sami soidana akoi Unacco gi site gi ju akoina soidana bagi cricket film ma akoi Manipur cricket association gi miyeng makada tana jaraga mafam asida cricket film ma akoina sage hena akoi masi maju thorang tokjari masi maju koi tungi oiba akoi wafam dune anga thamjari basi aduga Manipur da thenga lakpada akoi entrepreneurship akoi masi aina khangjabada akoi ahalaman sing Pabung Nilo hoi Pabung Haridas hoina akoi khara pioneer hoina Manipur tawbirama mali akoi Pabung Manawi hoi makoi gi matamda akoi di wari daja mani pura thengna budi thengna ja houdre adu mathangda akoi lengjan biri yamba tamodabli tawpalin noi laibire adu masi akoi lamjan bani adu handakta akoi honorable CM na akoi wafam amaka phongdok pigi mangna akoi education system da not only sarkar gi thabak thibang atana sarkar thabak loina pibanga moi job seeker ngakto oiba natana job giver oina ba akoi like tambi gidam ne honorable CM na dakta akoi haibi gi masi akoi entrepreneur mayam gi di khwaidagi laibak phaba mikup tu ne akoi na pamjaba potu ni akoi na hona jariba potumak honorable CM na haibi adu masida yengaga di North ki uni yengmata entrepreneurship ta akoi Manipur na top ni MSME registration tawbata akoi Northeast ta yengbata Assam da lising tare tawi Tripura da lising umgak taweba Manipur mathanda da lising trom du registration taweba akoi small akoi enterprise macha macha mans adu sigi matungda tangkhai amadi nupi nga tane aduna highest ne akoi na Northeast da yengbata akoi entrepreneur mans adubu aina masi matang sida akoi gi honorable akoi gi CM da sarkar da request tawjaning baje akoi entrepreneur mans jawbi akoi state ki oiba akoi gi entrepreneurship conclave entrepreneurship award session biraga amuktang hograiba Naha mayam da pungning thokan naba masi matang tawbiyu habja ya masi maga ai sarkar da request tawjagi simatang akoi gi sports ki award mayam tawi adi art and culture ki tawi adagi akoi gi journalist ki award tawi sumaina award macha ma akoi young entrepreneur encourage tawna masi maga ya request tawjage aduga Padma Shri de yengba da akoi Manipur de ani phangi yo bharat ki ona Padma Shri piri ji mi chama khare ma dan mi la kuntra le bi ani phangi ni Padma Shri chai guding akoi leptana phangi adai IS kan badi yengasi India ge no IS civil service bi chatri mutane khalije Manipur de ahum yaw yaw manga yaw yaw akoi ni manga yaw ba tam na Northeast gi tare khtang yaw Assam de gi ama adagi Tripura de ma yaw akoi de manga yaw ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯖꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯤꯔꯟ ꯍꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯛ 30ꯗꯒꯤ 5 ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯍꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯅꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯑꯣꯜꯃꯣꯁ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯣꯇꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤ ꯖꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯦꯝꯁꯇ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯑꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯨ ꯀꯦꯗ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯇ ꯖꯔꯃꯟꯗ ꯋꯥꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯑꯕ ꯇꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯁꯣꯊꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯪꯕꯗ 1,500ꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐ 60 ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤ 50 ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ 5 ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯟꯑꯦꯃꯥꯟꯖꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯏꯁ ꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯗ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁꯦꯝꯂꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯊꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯇ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ 3,200 ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯥꯎꯟ 10%ꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯊꯥꯗꯩꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯕꯨ ꯀꯃꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯠꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯅ ꯁꯥꯈꯤꯅꯤ 3,200ꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯉꯍꯥꯃꯨꯛꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯐꯒꯠꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯃꯨꯛꯇꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯐꯒꯠꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤꯗ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ 70 ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯦꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯐꯒꯠꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯗ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁꯤಎಂꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯖꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯔꯈꯥꯁ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯪꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯖꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯒ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯍꯖꯤꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ NEC ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ CMꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯄꯤꯌꯦꯕ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯁ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯦ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯠ 50ꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅ 3-star ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯂꯣꯔꯥ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯗ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 3-4 ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯀꯣꯔꯣꯅꯥ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯟꯊꯔꯨꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯍꯤ 3-4 ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯚꯦꯁꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ PPP ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜꯗ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ 7ꯇ ꯋꯥꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛ 5 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ 7ꯇ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯦꯘꯥꯂꯌꯥ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ 1,000 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯠ ꯐꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ CM ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯦ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯚꯤꯖꯟ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯝ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ इंटरप्रेन्योर मैमसु ओजा मैमसु इंटेलेक्चुअल मैम पुल्लगा पुन्ना चमिनरगा अफबा मणिपुर अमा चौखटपा अमा अखोगी शांति ओइबा मणिपुर अमा ओइनब चंगजनबसिदा यूनाको की माइकैदैसु अंगंब सरुक याजगे ऑनरेबल सीएम की लुसिंग मकादा अखोई वाक तौजगे हाइबसे मसी वाही हरजे हाइरगा यामा पुनबु अमोन कोरबजरी थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you so much, respected Chairman, Unacco School, Shri and Irabanta Singh. Tauramapugi warol yamna marik chumna sugaina thambiramba hainingalitana Chairman bu thagatpa fongdokchari. Mathanga sina ngasigi Tauramasigi special guest amoina lingbirakriba ikai khumnajariba Honorable MLA Lamlai Assembly Constituency and Chairperson Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Sri Khongban Tabam Ibomcha ikai khumnajariba Honorable MLA Dai Salingkhat Piraknabagi damakta nalupna hangachari. And also would like to request Shri Arup Mukhopadhyay to do the honor of felicitating our respected special guests. Doing the honor is Sri Arup K. Mukhopadhyay, Director, Unacco School. Thank you so much. Mathangi asina ikai khumnajariba Honorable Chief Minister Lingbirak Lingegi khudong chaba si lawjaraga Unacco School gi tongan tongan ba mafam da leiriba school sing asi hek hobudagi construction gi work ta tongan tongan ba thaugai pubiriba miyoi singda langjariba khudol pot khara khudol tamjabagi tanjadu lawjari ahan bada kaushinjari leisang them khaba maitei head Unacco construction unit Ikai Kumnajariba stays the Linkat Pirakani, and to do the honor, would like to request our respected Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri N. Biren Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, Laisang Them Khaba Meitei, Head Unacco Construction Unit, awarding a bonus of Rs 1 lakh plus memento and a certificate of appreciation. Presenting a memento and a bonus of Rs 1 lakh and a certificate of appreciation. Mathang Dalengkat Pirakani, Laushambam Premjit Singh, Head Engineer Department, Unacco Construction Unit. Masigi Mathang da Waikom Megachandra Singh, Senior Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit, Same Sadhuna Laibigani. Lingshin Birakliba, Laushambam Premjit Singh, Head Engineer Department, Unacco Construction Unit. Honored with a bonus of Rs 1 lakh, memento and a certificate of appreciation. Would like to request Waikom Megachandra Singh, Senior Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit. Masigi Mathangda, Samom Inau Singh, Contractor, Painting, Same Sadhuna Laibina Banolukna Ning Singh Jari. Lingshin Birakliba Waikom Megachandra Singh, Senior Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit, being honored with a bonus of Rs 1 lakh plus memento and a certificate of appreciation. Thank you so much. Ikai Kumnajariba Contractor, Painting, Samom Inau Singh, Stays the Linkat Piraknaba, Nolukna Ning Singh Jari. Masigi Mathangda Atom Jimmy Carter Singh, Contractor, Iron and Steel Works, Same Sadhuna Laibigani. Honoring with a memento and a citation. And would like to request Atom Jimmy Carter Singh, Contractor, Iron and Steel Works. Masigi Mathangda Waikom Megajit Singh, Contractor, Carpentry. Honored with a memento and a citation to the Contractor, Iron and Steel Works, Atom Jimmy Carter Singh. Aroi Basina Waikom Megajit Singh, Contractor, Carpentry. Thank you so much for all your hard work and for all your support. Thank you so much. Now our respected Chairman, Unacco School will do the honor of felicitating once again our respected Chief Guest with a memento. Ikai Kumnajariba Shri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, Unacco School na Lingbirakliba Ikai Kumnajariba Athoiba Mithunglen, Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh Mafamda, Certificate of Appreciation Loinana Memento Kudol Tamduna Ikai Kumnaba Utpiri. Thank you so much. Hauzik Ikai Kumnajariba Athoiba Mithunglen na Athoiba Mithunglen gi warol thambiranaba nolukna hangachari.
Hey, ma'am, Punamak Kai Kumnaba Chari, Kurumjari. Paru Vibe, the ICP program Ama Ni Labor. I don't know, Manx Kakalaga. I Honorable Minister Govindas, mayamdagi ay mayamdagi permission logjarabani mayamdagi soy permission logjari kitang atopa thabak khara engagement ama leibagi ngasi siam nungai khre hebedi khoi anoba New India Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ki makhada New Manipur thabak hiram khuding makta quality and commitment aduga professionalisms madudai the base orokanda Bharat ki mayon laiba masida khoi shut inba hona jabani masida the private sector sing gyaw da bayade ngasi Bharat na sahi nipan mapan da hongai ba changes pithribi gi super power oirei ba economy da defense da atmanirbhar Bharat ki taurei ba Modi ji gi dugum masi potpun maksi entrepreneurship individuals private company mayam amaga pullagan aduna ngasi Unacco gi atai de school mayam amasu leira adu ngasi gi si yamna special loiba koi residential adu yam limited seat chani muktani haye masidai da international standard hogdor pasi duki matik Unacco gi MD aigi now ira banta duga loina na magi team puna makoi ahan badai appreciate tokjari ai thagachar aduga ngasi ge sumba nungai raba numisida dai election biri bai gi marup Sri Govindas Konthokjam ga yas aduga ai inau El Susindro Maitai Honorable Minister PIC in the CAF-VD aduga Kendra Sigi hanasu former speaker Wabirma ba ai inau Sri Tes Lokesur Singh, Honorable MLA, and the Hojikta Lakpikiba, Ayamba, Sri Bomsa, Honorable MLA Lamlai SC, and the special guest in the Pambiriba, Sri Murti, CMD Netfi, Aduga Unacco President, Chairman Irabanta, Aduga Mangu Langshin Biriba, prominent industrialist mayam yauri university ki oja sing yauri doctor sing yauri social activist mayam ma aduga maru ina oja sing Unacco gi oja sing amadi official staff sing aduga hujik sigi structure mayam sibu semka sagat puta sobo thokdang lo kiba engineer section gi worker section gi mayam puna mak aduga media gi maru pang Mukan mayam butaram na oksebagolo na ikai kumna burchari. Education si karino hai basi dekho na haidra sukhange. Education yaudra society laibak ngasigi pithribi sidai da compete to ba ngamde. Adabu amakak ai koina school college Linkat Piriba, Rugalarik Tambiriba, Aduka Guardian Singh, I coin an inching Gadabusi. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji Nation Force, I was say, meaningful oibane. Karigino, Bhattans in a party gi Aduka Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji Nation Force and Haide say, Masiam meaningful oibane. Isam samna Laipang the Mangtao Hibadunata. So like educational institution quite again a Bharat ki wangaba ZNU I could have Mampanjagaba Zoran Nehru University Adukumba Wangraba Zonar in Nehru University to the Karai the Gap no Kangde He Bharat tum tukra kar dunga and Tholakiem Center Delhi ki Mayai to the lady Baduk any university to the I maming paloroge student kangbu du thola kanda adu gumba ya terrorist bu Kashmir ki terrorist bu appreciate orga Bharat tukra kar dunga ena lakhi ai ngasi budi ngasi ngarang budi satar JNU do ji satar singi gathering toba du toba strike toba kala lakh re ko thingba but aina si palai di लाइक लाइसु हैरग मरैबांग मजाति नुंसिरोइदबो ओरदि लाइक तमदबन फै लाइक लाइसु हैरग मरैबांग मजाति नुंसिरोइदबा मरमदम नुंसिरोइदबो ओरगदि हाई थाइनगी पाइपुगी लाइक ए जु खंगदबि को जु खंगदबिदा आराम बाई पाइरग थांग पाइरग अदुगी जाति दुना फै अदुगी मी दुना फै लाइक हैरग भारत के अगेंस्ट मणिपुर के अगेंस्ट लेरिबा इखोय मयाम सिबु थुगाइनबा अदोमदा चटकदबोरदि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हैविंग एजुकेशन अदुननी भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी ना मागी एनी मागी लेरिबा फिलोसॉफी टॉपिक्स मखा नेशन फोर्स जाति नुंसिबगी वाखलोन मरैबाग मजाति नुंसिबगी वाखलोन पुथोकनबगी मेसेज नि पीरिस अदगी अमना बोर्डिंग द लेरे लाइक तमे कोंदंग मान गवर्नमेंट की सर्विस तौरकन अफब मी होइरकांदा ऑफिसर होइरकांदा नत्रग पैसा पाइबा मी होइरकांदा माबु पोकपीरिबा मामा नत्रग मपादबु मिराइरकदबगी सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन जुसु कोई मसी सेंस तो बोर्डिंग द लेबा कांदा मसी तो होनिंगे सिगी पोट मयाम्स थाक्सी काशी लेवाकी सन लॉन्चट मयाम से पुनः होबुदुबुनेब एजुकेटेड अदुना आइना मरक्ता सुगुम यावदब कांगबुदुद मरक मरक्ता आइना एजुकेटेड इलिटरेट आइना अमा वार्डिंग अमा आइना सिनाजब अखोइगी हिंदू की केनोदसु लई बैटदसु बुद्धि तो है तुम लेकिन ज्ञान नहीं है नंजी बुद्धि दी ले अदुगा ज्ञान यावदे अदुना एजुकेशन है अदुकी मतिक लुग्रे अदुकी मतिक मरु ओइग्रे अदुना सुगुम्बा अवांग बथाकी वाखलोन ग लोइना इराबंतन तौरइसे आई एप्रिशिएट तौई मणिपुर हुजिक सेंस तौरबनी आई ग हुजिक याम कन्न मुक्नबसे मी अनिहुम खक लई चैलेंज तौनबसे इराबंत सु यावरे हुजिक तामोदबली ने अदुगा सिजगी ताम परलिन कोई अहुम मरिसे याम कन्न हुजिक मुक्नबने नोंदी नोंसिनै कौनै अदम मुंगनरीबा माई हॉस्पिटल गदो कनोगी हंद कैंसर की गदौरी गदो फजैयबा अदो आइना मु हेना हंद फजबा पुथोकने ओलंपियन पार्क तौदनबा आयने मींस सेलियंस अमा कर्म सेलियंस अफबदा वर्ल्ड क्लास के लेवल दा अखोई हुजिक सेंबा साबा पुनिमा टेम्पररी अमता ओइरो अखोई अदुने आइना आई वास मिनिस्टर अखोई मिनिस्टर कलिक म्याम साहबने हुजिक अखोई कंट्रैक्ट पीबा वगैरह कंट्रैक्ट सोन वगैरह एनी थबक स्कीम तब वगैरह अमा वगैरह वर्ल्ड क्लास ग्लोबल की सेलेंस तब याब अदुगी लेवल दा क्वालिटी दा टाइमिंग दा अदि एक्सपेंड खुदिंग मत अखोई मसिदि कंपीट तौर कांदा सागी बपुनमक से ngasi सही यांखै अमा चामा अमा लैहौबा याननबे अखोई अदु सु करंबा ngarang nahan अखोई केनोगी ओबीसी मुर्चागी प्रेसिडेंट जी लाई ओबीसी मुर्चा प्रेसिडेंट मासी मयाम से चल जाने ओलंपियड पार्क येंगोरे बिदो मार्जिंग की स्टेचू येंगोरे अदगी संगाई इथनिक पार्क येंगोरे आईएनए येंगोरे मतंग नोंपोक तोरबान येंगोरे मतंग येंगोर कंद मासी लाकान इवनिंग से उन्नई आई असेंबली लोइब नमित वा सुवारे अदु मीना थागत पिबा इसिदि वाबग लोइ फबजाने हराउ मा लाकान माना हुजिक मफुम खरजे चलुब कान माना अखोइ द पिरम एनकरेजमेंट अस अखोई मणिपुर दा अखोइना आदा मपान दा ताबदुगा सिदा तौरमिसिगा आइना चेंज मा अदु मसि कनागी मपान दगिनो मांग द फंबिरिबा अहलमन अंगम अहि सिंग मयाम अदुगा मणिपुर की प्रजा मयाम की सपोर्ट दगिनी यस अखोइना निंगे बथब खरा प्रजा गिने अखोइ लनाय आइबा पोट अमा अखोइ वासंगनबने खगसु लोइ पाइना रम गाथनी लनाय जे तोजि कोइन असेंग मनी मैम हाइजरसे कोई हाना कोई सही तरह अमा कुन अमा कोई प्रोफेशन से लाखरे कोई भोट लेते मांग दो कोई यामना नीरग लाख मीदी मक्ति नते अन हुजिक इनफ खरा लेरिसे कोई यारे फॉरएवर कोई से हुजिकती लेबाक प्रजा गे पोटम द सैक्रिफाइस तौरसे को आइना तौर कोई होना जबने तौसु तौने हुजु उबिरकनी मणिपुर सही मरी की मनुंग द करी चेंज लाके एमबी जस्ट अनदर 4 इयर्स हुजिक लेरी सिदै द कमाइना चेंज लाके एमबी 5 स्टार होटल तातों डब्ल्यू की होटल से लेरमद्रगदी अखोई मणिपुर से ठीक न सोपंग गदमने थबक तोबंग अममोय अदुबो अखोइसु गवर्नमेंट की जो 5 स्टार अमदि छादा यादरे अद याम बोइना हाना सागेगना साहोरो अखोइ सही अनि मखाई मनुंग अखोइ 5 स्टार होटल अमा गोविंदास का अखोइ यामने अखोइ तौरगा सादोरबनी अदुना मयाम हाना तौगे तहोबा म नत्रगना अखोइगिदि तौदा यादरे मसे अमित शाह जी नहान लागा अरे बिरेन मा लोई येंगोर मतुंग देबा होटल क्यों नहीं बना रहे तुम मैंने तो अदई दे आइसुंग सागी ऑल जज हाई कोर्ट लेरंबगी अमा सागलिना सर यही बना रहा है थोड़ा जल्दी खत्म करो तो गायबा आइदी मयाम न याम येंगो येंबियो मयाम आइना नहान असेंबली दा हाइदो मणिपुर से कोई नदी करामतन लापीद्र बड़ा कोई सी न खलमिद्रा अवांग नोंपोक की लम तोखर नते स्टेट 13 मंगा की मथक तक कोई लेबा टूरिस्ट फॉरेन टूरिस्ट कोई दगी लाको से कोई मणिपुर न फास्ट आले रमे अवांग नोंपोक खादो अदुना अखोई पुन्न सुमाइना सिदक तौबिरमिबा सेममिबा सारमिबा तौरिबा मयास आई एप्रिशिएट तौ आई अदगी डॉक्टर पालिन गिदा तौरिबा हुजिक मागिदा मेडिकल छात्र हुजिक चामने एमबीबीएस तमाइस प्राइवेट गवर्नमेंट का मथेंग पांगनरगा अदगी टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी अखोई ngасai pangibodo irabantana IS की कोचिंग गसिन हांगै दिल्ली चलमबदो कोई दिल्ली दे चलगा लेबम लेतदना वारमबा मिंग चनबा फंगदना कोचिंग की वारमबदो कोई मणिपुर द पोरागा कोचिंग तोहलिन सिद नते कोई जहां बजेट हापरे टेक्निकल हायर एजुकेशन इंजीनियरिंग की करी IT की तमनिंग बसिंगदो कोई सिदे कोचिंग मणिपुर कोचिंग हांगदोरब आदगी फैकल्टी सिंग कौरगा सिदा तहन गदोरि अदुना सुकुमा मयाम अमा खरा अखोई तौजरी अदो मरक मरकता सोयंगा मदुम यारोंगनि मियोइबनी सोयदंगम पोते अदो सोयरसु सोय हाइब कीदब कांगुने कोइजे सोयग्रे सॉरी ना हाइब ngamba अदुने कोइ मरमदि कनासु मियोइबसिमा पुंग फाबा लैते खंगगा लाकप नते थेंगनरप एक्सपीरियंस मयामदगी ताबा एडवाइस मयामदुना होनजबनी अदुना आई मतम सांगना लोगे रोरगे मयाम पुनमक इराबंता मंगोलोइबियो तौरइबा प्रोजेक्टसिंग यामना encouraging way अदुगा नेटफीगी आई कनो मूर्ति I appreciate you just you are extending various help to our entrepreneurs like many things se akoigi raj ki medicity adagi babina gi leiriba adagi atai leiriba mayam sida tawrkan hona birisi ai yam thagachai adung sai nam poi bai the poi ke tawri ne iraban da ngon tawri se all manipur entrepreneur award to lokthok ko phabra sinu jaris maram disai entrepreneurs si chakhot raga de koi chakhot pa yaro huji aina startup ta ga koi government sina 100 crore ga thamjari se startup ta masi je koi gi innovative idea creative idea leba narol educated mayam sing si moi gi platform pirini job generation gi creation tongna na bagi adugi mayam dunia aduna madugum madu hoi sungsoi soidna masi hujiki koi all manipur entrepreneurs award haidi madugi best one afaba kan bhai tare ne madu dum gobini yara matro lokthomba ha ai mathang sahi dagi masi ge award se ai thamna ba tawrege aduna ana wapam kharje thamjaraga akoi manipur mini india ni mini bharat ni dharma yami chanab dagi jati yami jati kunthra homdoi mari ni leirise magi apamba aningba tonganba dress tonganba lisa tonganba chinchak many things sigi mayam je punsalga koi amatoina puna bo hona bse se arai benate haiba pot puna masinga se koina ngamjari se mayam puna maki support khara thadokani khara loksan gani khara muk sauni khara muk themni madumai torokana understanding amma porokna bo honaraga salai minabani satminabani aduna manipur shanti la ibse masi sorna adi praja mayamna support to biba guide to biba dagini akhoi kasu khangbunate akhoi ge bu chen bani driver ni thobuni khoi karai da kari lege na change bani aduna unako amhonna mai pa ko oibio aduga entrepreneurs manipur ge mayam punama any kind of help startup tagi darkar laibo oiro adagi bank sing dagi darkar laibo lai oiro akoi government is ready to help you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thagachaba Phongdokchari Ikai Kumnajariba Chief Guest Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur Shri N. Biren Singh Athoiba Mithunglengi Waroloina Yamna Marik Chumba Mamal Yam Laba Wafam Kaya Thambiramba Thagatpa Phongdokchari. In continuation of this program, now we'll take the opportunity to honor and felicitate some of our very dedicated staffs of Unacco Construction Unit and various architects of on the dais, Shri PVSLN Murthy CMD Netfi. Aduga stage talengkat piraknabagidamagta kaushinjari Shri Chandam Ranjit Maitei, accountant. Okay. Marak Thacharaga Mahindra car MN01Z 6322 Gari asina mayamgi chathok chashingi lambi block tawsinduna leire duna gari se pubirakpa mi yauragadi amuktang thodok pinaba ningsingjari MN01Z 6322 Mahindra Scorpio black color gari ase pubirakpa mi yauragadi amuktang thodok pinaba nolukchari. Stage Telengkat Piraknaba Nolokna Ningsing Jariba Shri Chandam Ranjit Maitei, accountant, Unacco Construction Unit. Yes. Our special guest, CMD Netfi Shri PVS LN Murtisa, will do the honor of felicitating Shri Chandam Ranjit Maitei, accountant, Unacco Construction Unit, memento and a certificate of appreciation. Mathangda Shri Kundrakpam Ibohal Singh, purchase in charge, Unacco School Construction Unit, Lengkat Piraknaba Nolukna Hangachari. Shri Kundrakpam Ibohal Singh, purchase in charge, Unacco School Construction Unit. Masigi Mathangda Shri Thaunaujam Suraj Kumar Singh, Sem Saduna Laibigani. Shri Thaunaujam Suraj Kumar Singh, Senior Electrician, Unacco Construction Unit. Masigi Mathangda Shri Suresh Huidrom Design, Lengkat Pirakani. Presenting a bonus of rupees 30,000, memento and a certificate of appreciation to Shri Thaunaujam Suraj Kumar Singh, Senior Electrician. And we have Shri Suresh Huidrom, Hoidrom Design. Honoring with a citation and a memento. Thank you so much. Would like to request A. Sonia Devi, Urban. A. Sonia Devi, Urban and Landscape Design Studio. Masigi mathangda Shri N. Benju Singh, BB and Associates, Sem Sadhana Laibigani. Mathangda Shri Kaisam Bhumiraj, Kaisam Studio, Sem Sadhana Laibigani. Ladies and gentlemen, we have A. Sonia Devi from Urban and Landscape Design Studio, presenting a memento and a citation as a token of honor. Thank you so much. We have Shri N. Benju Singh, BB and Associates. Masigi mathangda Shri Kaisam Bhumiraj, Kaisam Studio, would like to have your presence on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Kaisam Bhumiraj, Kaisam Studio. Thank you so much, everyone. Now, our chairman, Unacco School, will do the honor of felicitating our respected special guest, CMD Netvi, Shri PVSL Murthy, with a memento and a citation. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request to Shri Murthy, CMD Netvi, to share some few words with us.
Today's President Sri Singh Saab, Honorable Minister of Government of Manipur, Sri Govinda Saab, Honorable Member of Assembly Sri Susindro Mehti Saab, Lokeshwar Singh Saab, and in absentia Chief Minister and the other ministers, my dear brothers and sisters, at the outset, I congratulate the management and the team of Unacco for taking another step in the line of education, and I congratulate them and I wish this particular initiative a grand success in years to come. And I am proud to say that Unacco is our prime customer and they have grown with net fee, and they are into hospitality, they are into microfinance, they are into education. So lot of initiatives he takes. So all those things are successful initiatives. And so many industrialists sitting here, they have grown with net fee. And I am proud to say all of you that for net fee family, Manipur is the favorable destination. We always support Manipuri entrepreneurs because we have very good experience with the Manipur state and Manipur entrepreneurs. And another thing is, I will tell you, I am the brand ambassador of Manipur. Wherever I go, other states, Assam and other states, I take the examples of Manipur in all the areas in the respect of supporting the startups. Actually, Manipur has started a very good scheme, and they gave 3 lakhs grant to many startups who have registered. First they gave the grant. If they come up with a concept, a proof of concept, and then we started investing, and after that I requested CM Saab to establish a dedicated startup investment fund for the Manipur. Then I volunteered that 50% I will contribute and 50% state government has to contribute. He readily agreed, and among all 8 states, Manipur is the first state to establish the venture capital fund of 30 crores with net fee, and we are going to support in big way to all the startups. And not only that, and we have recently came up with some schemes, not only big industrialists, we wanted to support the small artisans and small entrepreneurs whose requirements are 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs like that. Now presently they are all in the hands of money lenders. So we wanted to bring them out of money lenders. In the same way, with the help of Unacco, we are supporting these small vendors directly by the net fee with 7% interest, only 7% interest. Whereas they are being squeezed with huge interest rate that we are slowly wiping out. Probably our aim is by end of 2023-24, we need to come to the rescue of minimum 3,000 to 4,000 entrepreneurs in this scheme. Like that, we have been associated with the Manipur state and also the industries of the Manipur, and we are ready to serve the Manipur state. And anybody, anything you need, you please contact us. Our website is there. And I once again thank the management of the Unacco for giving me the opportunity, and I wish them a grand success in all their endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shri PVSLN Murthy sir, CMD NetFee, for your profound knowledge. Thank you so much once again. Now, would like to take a moment again to honor and felicitate the presidents, secretaries of various local clubs and contractors. And to do the honor, I would like to request Sri T.A. Lokeswar Singh, Honorable MLA, Kundrakpam Assembly Constituency. Maikay Somgi, Tongan ba local club, sing loinana contractors singbo ikai khumnabo chabagi tanja aduni hauzik logjagadoriba aduna ahanbada ikai khumnajariba khoishnam chauba mayamna chaubiton hairagasu hena khangna biriba former secretary kaibi khuno collective farming oja lengkhat piraknaba nolukna hangachari mathangda yaikhom kokngang president Chanung development committee mathangda yumnam binoy mayamna koklai hairaga hena khangbiriba president Taret Khul development committee loinana ningthau khongjam sanatomba jila parisad makheng dolai thabi aroibada moirangthem Japan contractor artwork labeling mathang stage lengkhat pirakna bandolukna hangachari Maike Somgi club sing aduga organization singi mihut singna yamna chauna mating pangbiba sing aduna ngasigi mayamda khusinajariba school asi mapung fana masigi thabak thoram sing asi pangthokpa ngamjaba sigi damakta ikai khumnaba uchaboina chamlaba khudol pot sing asi thoram masigi matungina thoram masigi marakta khudong chaba si logjaraga lanthok chabani Thagat Pafong Dokchari, Ikai Kumnajariba Chairman Unacco School na Ikai Kumnajariba Honorable MLA gi mafam da memento amalanthok piduna Ikai Kumnaba amukahna utpigani. Thagat Pafong Dokchari, Ikai Kumnajariba Honorable MLA Kundrakpam Assembly Constituency ngasigi thoramasigi guest of honor Shri T.A. Lokeswar Singh na wafam khara thambiranaba nolukna hangachari.
Good afternoon, all. Ngasigi Unacco School, Chanung, Excellence in Education. Ngasigi sangaba numit sige dais telengsin biramba agi hamba leba sige state sige simine sobireba Shri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, ay sagi tarap tagi ngangkulen thagat sabalo na ay gi kendra sida pikraba gi khungang ahum masida lakpiram dana harba school sibu sanga biram madu damak aina ngangkhele tan thagat sabalo na praja myang mi mohut chinjere haraga amasung Unacco gi mohut chinjere haraga ina nuluk sabai kai khunu buchari aduga guest of honor gi famlanda family ba tam tarela karaba minister kara obiraglaba veteran hana myanmasu mingthon biraba mamangi function da su yobiram laba agi yamba hujujina works paibiriba Shri Govind dance konthojam ai gi tarap tagi ngangkhalitan thagat chabalo nana laikai sigi mo chinjaraga amasung Unacco gi mo chinjaraga ina nuluk chari aduga hujikta laibiramba ai gi now honorable minister PICD yamna naha uriba ini sima taurugadi hek tong hana jar bijat khaidaba don dola khaidaba ai gi now Shri miyamna jaim hara khangnaba Shri Suchindro Honorable Minister boina ngangkhalitana thaga chabalonena Unacco gi mo chinjaraga amasung laikai si mo chinjaraga ai nuluk chari aduga ai gi yamba khadi en board ki chairman obireba khoigi lamlai esigi tam kerak hana rajniti fil la yawbirak laba adubu amuktang di lo semada yawa phangagadi lamnam se phabu oini khallaga chungthok pide ngasidi lamlai esigi represent obiriba agi yamba Shri Ibom Chasing ai honorable MLA boy ngang khailetan thaga chabalonana Unacco amadi agi laikai si mo chinjaraga nuluk chari special guest labiriba Shri PVSLN Murti CMD Nefi ai kai khunajari aduga school gilamda amasung economic phagana naba adugi lamda honabiriba school sigisu khoigi chairman obiriba ai marop Shri N. Riyamant Singh ai kai khunajari aduga dais telengsim biriba all Manipur journalists inwelngi chairman obiriba ai yamba samjai ai kai khunajari aduga mangda phambiriba all the entrepreneurs ai yamba sing aduga atop top lenghen birigliba khoigi all the invitees aduga CSO punamaki khoigi lakpiriba punamak chu aduga press ki sinau singi punamak pusu aini kai khunabu chabolonana ai noluk chari aduga masi lengbirakliba laikai si allamal lagrujon sing aduga Unacco staff sing aduga chhatra sing chhatri sing aduga maruina Unacco school gi all the staff and non teaching staff sing punam pusai kai khuna bachabolona nai noluk chari ai tasing badi honorable Chief Minister na wan se ngang ragadi khoina nganghom di thokta bani mana punam ki ngang biram labani adubu sagi asin ba amakak leibidagi khoi punamakta mana habiramdana noi function ji loibak ta hogo aduna ai urgency makak atoba program leibidagi haidana taudana sagi tangai phadana khoigi aning khara कोई Unacco की साइट की थम्बीरकपदुदा तंगाई फदना हाइजेगे अदुबु एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर मना हाइगरबा मतुन कोइन हाइबसे मसे कोई करे हाइतारे कोई एंगोंदा नुंगाइजदा हाइतारे अदुबु मसागी एज ए लेकाइ सिगी केंद्र सिगी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मा ओजरुबना सगी कमाय तो Unacco हौरखिबनो करम मोंगदा लेकाइ सिना फुल कोऑपरेशन बिजगिबनो सिमदंग थमजरगाई लोइसनजगे श्री इराबंता अखोगी लमदम सिदा स्टेट सिदा यामना नहा ओइना मखल मथेल कयागी अवाबा खांगबा मतुंगदा कयारक थेंगनारखराबा जगत पुनमगी प्रेशर मयाम थेंगनारबा मतुंगदा ngasiदी ख्वाइदगी अरोइबा माना तवे खनबसे एनी बिजनेस स्ट्रेट मयाम तौरे अदुबु आई एजुकेशन लमदा आइगी लाइफ से मसी चपदा पामे हाइदना हाय अदुबु अदु इबोरगदी चानुंगदा लम फजबम लई अदु लोबिरो अदुगा आइजु फुल कोऑपरेशन दे बिजगे एजुकेशन से आइसु यामना पामजबनिना अखोना दे मदु तौबो ngambagi capacity do राजनीति की फील्ड चंगुरबनिना मदु अखोई कैपेसिटी वांगमदा लेरे मरमदना नहाकना तौबिरो हाइदना हाजरुबदगी ngसाइगी मान हेक पामजबदुगा अखोन हेक पामजब थोकतना ngसीदी हारिबा स्टेट सिगी हाइबताई होगी बकी वनदी रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल दा सिना आनबो ओरंगदबो माली फाजमाई करिकुलम सुबा हाइबा तारे एवरी साना खोनबे लमदारसु अदगी एजुकेशन ये अखोगी लमदारबसु लोइन सिदा फैसिलिटी लोइन लाइरबा हारिबा रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल से नेशनल की अमसु इंटरनेशनल की थाकता तौबा ngमनी हाइबि वखलदा महाना मसी तौबा कांदा एगी तरफतगी अमसु एगी चानुंग खुन कबी कुमदा खुन अदुगा तरे खुन खुन हारिबा थांगरिबा खुन मायाम सिंसिना फुल्ली कोऑपरेशन पिरेसी एजुकेशन हारगदी अखोना तंबा फंगदसु लाइक लेबाक सिदा लेरिबि स्टेज ते लेरिबा लेरिसुबा मायाम अमा इना करा खुनबो एगरा लाइक ता यामना थावरबा मायाम अमा लागा इमालेबा मणिपुर सेमदा अखोई सरुक याबा मथौ ताइना खलगा सुमाना तोना अखोई कोऑपरेशन पिजेगिमने अदुबु सुंसोय सोयदना माई पाकनेना खले मागी मंगलान से एजुकेशन चाखलगदी मफम खुदिमक्ता एनी फील्ड मदु चाखोटपदा अदुमतिक दरकार लई हाइबगी माई आइडियोलॉजी से आइदि चुमेहनन खले मरम मदुना आइगी श्री इराबंददा एज ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लाइक ऐसी अमोनाइन हाइजेनिंग बसे हारिबा ओजा लौबदा नेगोशिएट तौबिगनु अदुगा हानबगिसदी तंगाई फदना यादे सी स्कूल चंगदी सोदना डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर IAS IPS अदुगा पॉलिटिशियन सोदना फंगनी हाइबगी थाजबसे सी काक्तंदी विदिन 10 years तंग फजना हेक होनबा कांदको सुंसोयदना फंगनी मरमदुना हारिबा स्कूल से तंबिगदबा रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल ओजासु लेंदना लेगदोरिबनी छात्र सिंसु लेंदना लेगदोरिबनी अदुदा फजना तौरगी हाइदना अतोपदा सिदा ओजा ओरगदी अतोपदा ओररोय ओइदना नबा फिल तौना नबा एज ए मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ दी Unacco ना मधु होनबिरेगा अखोइसु पांगबा याबा पांगजगे करिनो अखोइना पांग हाइबदो ऑनरेबल अखोइगी चेयरमैन ऑफ दिस स्कूल श्री इराबंदन हाइजेनिंग से हाइबियु एनी फिजिकली मेंटली व्हाटएवर इनी अखोइना ngamba मखैदुदि पांगजगे अदुना हारिबा Unacco स्कूल Chanung हाइबसे मसी काक्तंगदी इंटरनेशनल लेवल दा योंगना नोहरम मतमदा विदिन 10 years ता सुंसोय सोयदना योगन हाइबदि आई अचे बथाजा जबनी आई मैक्सिमम चटपा याबा चलुरे इंडिया की अकोय मफमदा फावरे स्कूल में आमजे चलुबा मतमदा यस अखोय जु सी मफमजे चप चारेना खनबगा हेक तौबगा चप चानादना ngasiदी येंबियो ngasi लेंबरेबला खुदिमंगना होल सिलेरिबा लैंडस्केप से येंबिरेनागा यस सिदा तमदी सोयदना इसा फरकने हाबिगी वखलोन सोयदना पोकनेना खले मरमदना लोइसनजरकपदा सिदा ओजा ओइबिरिबा खुदिमकी मफमदसु आइन हंजन हाइजरिसे छात्र ताकपगा मतमदा आइना खंग मखैदुदि लोइना ताकतोकपियु आइना ताइसे मसी इंटरनेशनल लेवल ला नेशनल के लेवल ला स्टेट के लेवल ला हाइब्रिड खंदेबिरि हरगा मसागी ओजाजी मखुता लेरे अदुगा मरोइना सिगि ग्रुप ऑफ अखोगी उनाको की स्टाफ सिंह की मखादसु लेरे अदुगा मरोइना अखोगी लेकाई सिद मरोइना थांगदरे लेकाई हुमरे से सिजि ओय यामना दरकार होइबा अदुना मरम ओदना अखोई लेकाई की हारिबा चानुंग खुन कैबी तरे खुन अदुगा उन आदगी कैबी कुमुदा अदुगी होल कैबी परेंग सिंह से मसी फुल्ली अखोई कोऑपरेशन पीसी अदुगा यारिबा मखै सिगी स्कूल सिदा इनि डिस्टर्बेंस अमता तौदना बा अखोई होनमिनसी अदुगा मसागी पुनमक्ता ngasi lembiri leba khai khibi punamak mphum da swai jening base koi punamak sumana school ma lai ba base hekta paisan hel lai ba ya da ba stage hai ba ju adum lai gani haujiti tangar ba manipur da sumana achoba ma tau ha ba lam gi jaga yam tarka la e adu sigi mafam se lau su su ya dra ba karom da taw ya dra ba timing chara ba jaga amadi oiba aduna maram odana ngasai gi shone pirakpa education bu chawhana na hona ba matam da पिरक खुदोल हाइम थोलो हाइदुना अना सुना फोंदोचबने अदुना अना थमोइदगी थवाइदगी अना हाइजरिसे मसे अदुमतिक करी हाइतारे सेंगना हाइजबने अदुगा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरना मफम मसिदा लागा अखोई चनुंग खुन कदाइदा लेगे अदुगा चल्लिबि लंबिसे करी फिबमदा लेगे हाइबसे सुंगसोय सोयदना खंगबिरंगबनी हारब लंबिसिसु ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर वर्क्स अमसुंग ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ना हाउस दा इश्योरेंस पिक लंबिनी अदुना मावेने सेमदेंगदा हाना फुटसामा पांगनाबा यांखैबु पांगना हानाने लोइना थम्मबनी लमगी अवेलेबल से लैरबनी अदुबु ngसाइगी सिदा तौबिदुइसे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की लुसिंग मखादा ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर वर्क्स अमसुंग आरडी मिनिस्टर थीरी अखोइगी यामा खेमचान मखोइनेन तौबिदना हौजिदी पीएनडी स्वाइदा वर्क ऑर्डर वर्क प्रोग्राम एप्रूव तौरे संसंगे नबंग डीपीआर थागरे अदुबु सी यादगदे हेदना आरआईडीएफ ते दमु हापी कयामु सीरियस ओगे हेबदे ड्यू टू दिस स्कूल अदुगा अदुई मतकता सिदा नतना अखोई सिदा लाइबा चलिबा लंबी से ऑल कम्युनिटीज पुनमक समिनाबा नेपाली मुस्लिम कुकी नागा मैते पुनमक चनबा लंबी सु ओइबा अदुना इन हेक ततना हाइजादना सी लंबी एवरी हाउस खुदिंग आइने हाइजाबसे सी लंबी सिन इम्फाल सोगमांग कैबी रोड हाइबदो सी लंबी सिनी अदुना हौजिति सेमना नबा लम अवेलेबल अखोइना इसागी अन पॉकेट पोतोकना हौजि लेबाक थोनबि उबिरंगबनी आइगी मरु इराबदनसु मिचिन मयाम पोतोकना मतेंग पांगबिरई अदो मरु ओइदिदि हौजि अवार्ड पिबिगे अखोइगी मोमेंट पिबि बाय हल्लमन सिंगदुना कन्ना देना ते सेनेबेदना लंबी से पक्तोक फंगजबनी अदुना मरम ओइदना हंदकी सीजन जिददी मथंग लिंबिरकपा गार्जियन सिंह अदुगा एंटरप्रेन्योर सिंगना लाइखोमदा चटपा फंगदवा मानदे हाइबसे ऑनरेबल वर्क्स ने हाइबिरंगन हाइबि हाइजरगा आई मयाम दे टेंसपुन बो खुरमजे थैंक यू वेरी मच
Hana Hana Thagachari, Ikai Kumnajariba, Guest of Honor, Shri T.A.S. Lokishore Singh, Honorable MLA Kundrakpam, Assembly Constituency, Yamna Laushing Oigedaba Mitmai Oigedaba Wafam Kayama Thambiramba, Haining Alaitana, Thagatpa, Fongdokchari. Matangi Sina Thoramasi Maka Chatazarak Poina, Makatane Queen Langzariba, Unacco School Gidamakta, Tabak Togai Kaya Hona Biriba Singda, Thoramasigi, Tanjalo Zeragai Kumnabagi, Madu Matanga Domung Lauzege Duna. Ikai Kumnajariba, Thoramasigi, special guest Amoy in the Linkshin Biriba, Shri Kongbantabam Ibomcha, Honorable MLA, Lamlai Assembly Constituency, Loinana, Chairperson, Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation, Langzariba Kudol Potsing, Silantok Pinabagidamakta, Nolukna Hangachari. Aduga Kaushinjari, Shri Huining Sumbam Romeo Singh, Head Accountant and Purchase. Masigi Matangda Shri Namoizam Holendro Singh, Sim Sadana Lebigani Matangda Shri Saugrakpam Tarun Kumar Singh. Linkshin Birakliba Shri Huining Sumbam Romeo Singh, Head Accountant and Purchase. being honored with a bonus of rupees 1 lakh, memento and a certificate of appreciation. Thank you so much. Mathangda Shri Namoizam Holendro Singh, Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit, Linkat Pirakani. Honoring with a bonus of rupees 30,000, memento and a certificate of appreciation. Masigi Mathangda Shri Saugrakpam Tarun Kumar Singh, Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit, Linkat Piraknaba, Nalugnaning Singh Jari. Shri Saugrakpam Tarun Kumar Singh, Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit, being honored with bonus of rupees 30,000, memento and a certificate of appreciation. Ikai kumna jariba chairman na ikai kumna jariba special guest ki mafam dasu memento ama kudol tambiduna ikai kumna ba utpina bagi damakta nalukna hangatchari. Thank you so much, sir, for your gracious presence. It's a token of appreciation and honor. Thank you so much once again. Makatarakpa Kudol Pot Singh Lanthokpi Nabaikai Kumnajariba, Honorable Minister, Works, Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Govindas Kontozum, Lengtokpiraknaba, Nolukna Hangachari. Amadis Testa Kausinjari, Sanjanbam Samananda Singh, Engineer, Unacco Construction Unit, Masigi Mathangda, Bachaspati Mayum, Krishna Kanta Sharma, Head Sanitary Unit, same Sadhana Lebigani Mathangda, Kumalambam Kiran Kumar Singh, Senior Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit, Loinana Waikom Basanta Singh, Contractor, Tiles, Mathang same Sadhana Lebigani. Sanjanbam Samananda Singh, Engineer, Unacco Construction Unit, honored with bonus of rupees 30,000, memento and certificate of appreciation. Mathangda Bachaspati Mayum Krishna Kanta Sharma, Head Sanitary Unit, honored with bonus of rupees 50,000, memento and certificate of appreciation. Masigi Mathangda Kumalambam Kiran Kumar Singh, Senior Supervisor, Unacco Construction Unit, honored with bonus of rupees 60,000 plus memento and certificate of appreciation. Thank you. Mathangda Waikom Basanta Singh, Contractor, Tiles. Honored with a citation and a memento. Thank you so much. Mathangda Chairman, Unacco School, Shri N. Irabanta Singh na ikai kumna jariba Honorable Minister gi mafam dasu memento asi malathoktuna ikai kumna ba uchari. Thank you so much. Makatarakpada ikai kumna jariba Honorable Minister, Works, Youth Affairs and Sports na wafam Singh thambirana ba nalukna hangachari.
Good afternoon. Aina last week adong na habire akhoi usop to boda suktani akhoi thum yen bodo gumza na gi. I'll take a very little time. After Honorable Chief Minister delivered, nothing has left behind for me to deliver anything about Unacco and other issues. Sigumba Megi Tang Taragani Panda 2022 da kogi foundation stone laid taukiba Unacco excellence in education gi fully residential co-ed school ama within a very short span of time sangabagi thauramda lengbirak lamba akhoi pumnong pu pungning thagat piramba akhoi punong ki lamjing biba hijabatare Manipur ki Mukhyamantri athuba magidamakta da aistagi thokpi graba mingoina panjarabada Sri N. Biren Singhobo ahan makada hang ikai kumna buchari loinana daista lengshin biramba Honorable Minister PhD Cab NPD L. Susindra Maitei buswai hang ikai kumna buchari dai selection beriba lamdam asigi pratinidhi oina kayarak hanna prajagi seba tawbiriba vote kahan veduna ai now Sri T.H. Lokeshwar Singh ikai khumna bochari loinana lamlai assembly constituency dagi vote kabi duna Honorable MLA oi Vivadanatana Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation gi chairman oina thaupu biriba ai gi Amasri Bomza Singh loinana ngasigi special guest respected chairman and managing director of NETFI Sri PVSLN Murthy today the man behind all these things ngasigi president oina dai selection biriba aduga chairman Unacco ai now Sri N Iravanta Singh Ingrazi da hainaba ama handsome that handsome does and ning na phajabana tok thorok se dum phajab oye na wherever he goes he always does the excellent ayam thagat chaning mane ado yamna thagat chararoi ngasai honorable CM na loina haibiramamni na Swami Vivekananda hairame educate and raise the masses and alone thus alone a nation is possible. If there is no education, we cannot have a nation. But today, without education, the value of life is nothing. Swami Vivekananda haibiramba adugumba se ningsing hairaga sigumba sangabagi thauramasida saruk yabiriba mangda lengsin biriba tongan tonganba hiram kayada mangjin thana Manipur bu saktak biriba special dignitaries pumnama ikai khumna buchari guardian singi parents sing satra singi aduga invitees pumnama prinamasuk electronic media person sing ladies and gentlemen Swami Vivekananda haibiramasi laibak ama mapung phaba laibak ama oise haiba taragadi akhoi praja si larik haigadamni adu ngasidi akhoi larik haitragadi prithvi khangdaba prithvi si akhoi na masak khangdaba mi amu oirania akhoi gi life ke value se akhoi hanthara aniba because every one of us carrying the world in our pocket prithvi sing asidi akhoi pocket manung na pura dum chatleba what is that Android phone am puyeba khoina this Android phone gives us what is happening around the world. If we are not educated, then who will know what is happening around the world? So it becomes a part. Yamna sana akoina yengbagi mathau tai aduna ina thagat chaning madi I am sure ngasigi sangari ba honorable chief minister na sangabiram liba Kuwait ki residential fully residential oiba school lasina North East one of the best school oigani haibagi aset pathajaba se aina thamjai loina challenge tawgada male haina khalle maramdi akhoi Manipur sida our state is being endowed with so much of fragrance and flavor by the Almighty God. Akhoi chinjak ngti yengbione akhoi weather akhoi climate sang ti yengbio ba if you compare with that of Assam akhoi na khara helang bane ba Assam na big brother oirasu aduna Assam na lai riba Assam Valley school ga se ai di hanthara ka dau malen lawe ko masila ko matam da aduna masigi kana basi akhoi Manipur gi praja da natana entire northeastern region asida pi bangam gani amuk ke hena afaba education nama pibangam gani haibagi asetpa thajabado aihangna mayamda thamjari amarom da school asina phagalakadori ba sikari dano harakanda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯐꯒꯠꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯔꯣꯏ economy drain out tawroi because akhoi guardian akhoi singsina isa singsi residential school amada thamninge ado manipur da leiriba residential school singsi matam ga yamna chunaba chanaba oidabanina we are sending our words outside the state which is of course draining out our economy ado jikti economy si drain out tawroi economy circulate tawrani akhoi state manungda so perhaps it will also increase the per capita income of the state per capita income hengalhan nabai masa amaso oirani ada ai yamna di sangna nganing mane do chaksa mang soi bane na ngang ba yaroi aduna ina lo sinjarak pada ina haijaning badi hiram khudimakta school si laibana akhoi da afaba oiragani aduga ina amana aina panjad daba yadaba mana when aina atop atopa institute kaya amada satpa matamda akhoi gi ngasa heavy bado akhoi chairman Unacco gi na heavy bado akhoi yamna talented oiba not only in the field of sports even in education science and technology tongan tongan ba engineering college sing sida akhoi gi manipuri masa mayam ama laik tam biba yawram meba makhoina oja oina yawram meba expert oina moi laiba theng naiba moi sing du so ngasi di manipur da laga thabak to bai khudong saba ma akoina phangagani haibagi aihangna thajaba thamjai haidana thamjara hairaga last but not the least aina school say isodo khurumjari madadi ngasi sangare ba honorable chief minister manipur gi Sri N Biren Singh hojina sangabe riba school asi dagi afaba satra kaya ma thoktuna akhoi si UPSC gi exam da natana India gi amasung international gi arena da makoi sing sina yamna sign tawba student kaya ma puthokpa ngamba oirasanu haidana isodo khurumjaba galoina aihangna mayam punu pokhiramjari jai hind
Thagachari Ikai Kumnajariba Honorable Minister Works, Youth Affairs and Sports Government of Manipur Shri Govindas Konthozam Yamna Tentatna Mamal Yamna Bawafam Singh Thambiramba Ikai Kumnajariba Honorable Minister Bo Hanna Hanna Thagatpa Phongdokchari Mathangasina Ikai Kumnajariba Chairman Unacco School Shri N Irabanta Singhna Ngasigi Thauramasi Special Guest Amoina Lingshin Biriba Ikai Kumnajariba President All Manipur Working Journalists Union Oja Wangkimsa Samjai Mafam Dasu Memento Malantok Piduna Ikai Kumnaba Utpinabagi Damakta Nolukna Hangachari Mamal Yamlaba Matam Kaitok Piduna Thoramasibu Sarugya Biba Mapung Pahan Biba Ikai Kumnajariba President Amjubu Hanna Hanna Thagatpa Phongdokchari Ngasigi Pangthokchariba Thoramasi Loishilamdaigi Mekup Adu Yorokpaga Loinana Ikai Kumnajariba Editor Sanalaibak Shri N Hemanta Kumarna Thoramasigi Thagat Warol Board of Thanks Thambiranaba Nolukna Hangachari
Unacco School Chanung Residential School gi akhoi gi sangaba gi thoromda lengbi rakliba khwai tarabu ahan maktada aina mafam sita lepcharaga kokno na khurumjari ngasi gi thoromsi akhoi gi Unacco gi puarida khwai dagi maru oiba aduga masang oiba adugumba thorom amane na ayakna ahan ra thamjaraga Honorable Chief Minister yam silli Maki timing si yang biro akhoi keno si Chanung si Imphal dagi kilometer kungamari manga lap mafam ni mafam sida lakpa hangiba aduna round about pung amaga makhai muksangba then function sida pung amamuk saruk yabiramba maki sellaba matam kaithok piramlaga akhoi gi damakta Unacco gi damakta then miam gi damakta laipak gi damakta afaba thabak torokani na ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯇꯥꯛ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯗꯧꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯋꯥꯛꯁ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯕꯤꯟꯗꯥꯁ ꯀꯣꯟꯊꯧꯖꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯟꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯌꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯎꯅꯖꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ PhD ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ KEF and PD Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Minister L. Susindro ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯥ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯕꯦꯟ ꯃꯥ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ MLA ꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯖꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯃꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤꯅꯤꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯆꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯕꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ CMD NETFI ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ PVSLN Murti ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ MDꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯤꯐꯣꯟꯗ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯉꯛꯄꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯒꯦꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯃꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ MD ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ N. Irabanta ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯝ ꯏꯔꯥꯕꯟꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯔ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯨꯆꯨꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯒꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯐꯪꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯂꯝꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ MLA ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯏꯕꯣꯝꯆꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯇꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ VIPꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯈꯟꯅꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯕꯨ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯤꯗꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯦꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯝꯖꯨꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯧꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯦꯝꯆꯥ ꯁꯝꯖꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯊꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯄꯥꯜ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ tamo palen ai mangda loi lebi mayam si ai loi panjara loi koi civil society organization singi lusingba sing yaubiri then adagi pangmi mayam yaubiri adagi di waza mayam yaubiri masak mayam na koi sunba adung mathorma du oye koi se ado adagi di ai na sidananda lengbirei mayam gi tawiman si kan matam da singdo no khangde sillo matam sida mayam koi yaubirakpa yaubirakna Unacco group kini Unacco kini school sigini ga ina tapu lakpi base am nungai jai thank you mayam puno ko thagat sari aroi bada aina thagat wai pijedo si Unacco gi family members sing saba thakpa khangdo makai telaba matam dani ko ga menaga di adum kabu kabu matong tamba yaba pot amani sahi amagi manungda si saraga miyam da pirisi then kan torisi yamna aing tumdaba mayam yauri akan ba adumba kogi si loide yadi na khona dana thawai sang yauna torkanda mayamda katpangam bai tar ko mayamda katokpangam ba adumba ma kogi Unacco group ki family member puno pusu ayana thagar phongduk sari haina haijaraga matang sida ngasigi thorumsi swaida losinjana ba aduga mayam si sak sakhum dang saminna ba ina ai swaida gi adum lamna khorum jarega ai wa hum khamjaba si losinjare
Thagachari ikai kumnajariba editor Sanalaibag Oja Shri N Hemanta Kumar Board of Thanks Thambiramba Hana Thagat Pafongduk Cheri Amuka Hana Lingshin Biriba Kai Kumnajariba Metung Lensing Mang the Lingshin Biriba Kwai Pumnamak Hana Thagat Pafongduk Cheri Mayam Gidamakta Chaglen Sinjariba Sigi Tongan Tongan Ba Mafam Sing Asisu Amutang Mayam Gi Mafam da Ningsing Jahoge Mayamasi Asukimatik Yam Maramna Mafam Se Queen Mayam the Hena Kudong Chana Ba Tongan Tongan Ba Jagada Sinjabani Staff Singi Oina Chanung Community Hall da Chaglen Sinjari Dignitaries Loinana VIP Singina Academic Block ta Aduga Invitee Singi Refectory Hall da Odyssey staff amadi LDO financial staff singina multi-purpose holda tongan ba mafam singa sida Chaglen Sinjari pumnamakna fangbina bagida makta zo hana nolukchari pumnamakpu thagachari kurumchari